Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday.
So, it's autumn na guys. Kaya yung mga ano dito, oh, yung mga puno, ano na, nagkakalagpakan na. Naglalagpakan na yung mga dahon. So guys, dito kami dadaan. Ayan. Kita nyo yung cathedral na yan na built ata 11th century. So nakakatawan dumaan dito. Very cute. Yeah, very cute house. So. Very old na yan. Oh, ayan kami daddy. Oh. Look. Our reflection. Tapos ito yung trees na ano babe. This is the tree that cut from 200 years.
2000.
2000. Oh, 2000 years. Ayan. Yan yung tree na yan. Safe naman maglakad dito pagka gantong maaraw at maliwanag pa. It's safe to walk here, but of course if it's a bit dark, it's a bit scary because it's a cemetery. This cemetery is only the people who buried this very long time, right? Ganda ng bahay dun, oh. Ay, ganda ng tree babe, oh. White tree.
Oh yeah.
Very nice tree. Pusot kami dito. It's nice weather. Ayan guys, autumn na kasi, mga dahon ng puno. Still have time?
Yeah, it's only 2 o'clock.
Ayan, magkakape muna kami doon sa tapat na yun sa Nero. After the bus.
Shall I get some biltong?
Okay, let's go there. Sa biltong. Tapos may mga chocolate sila dito guys. They have babe. Ang ganda ng place na to, itong building na to. Very old. It's nice. Bibili si Adrian ng biltong guys, dried beef. Hello. I'm using my phone because of the wide angle. So, hello guys! Nakauwi na kami. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming mga pinamili. Ayan. Bunti lang binili namin kasi bukas may order kaming pipick upin na groceries. Tingnan nyo to, oh. Yung binili ni Adrian sa Biltong shop. Mga dried na beef siya. Nagugas ako ng kamay pag uwi namin. So, ayan. Dried beef. Ang tigas nito, guys. Ayan. Nahilig yan sa ganyan. Nahilig sila sa ganyan. Tawag din dito ay ganon, biltong. Ewan ko lang kung parehong tawag ng biltong. Pero, dried beef siya. Ayan. Dami. Tignan natin isa. Ayan. Ayan. Ang tigas naman. So, ayan, biltong niya yan. Ang tigas. Kumakain masyado. Tigas. Tapos, bumili ako ng pork belly. Nagre-request na naman si Adrian na ano. So, guys, liempo na naman tayo ngayon. Ayan. May tatak pa sila, oh. GB. Great Britain. Ayan. Ayan mga pamili ko. Ayan, bumili siya ng ano niya, panghimagas sa kanya yan. Wine. Tapos ito yung breakfast namin bukas. Ayan. Yes, ganyan yun guys. Oh, papalamanan mo siya sa taas ng ano. Lalagyan mo siya sa taas ng salmon o kung ano mang. Ayan, ganyan. Salmon. Salmon. Tapos creme French. At syempre, ang yogurt niya, ayan. Ayan, mag-i-stir fry din tayo ng pak choy. Ayan yung gulay. Herb siya. Lalagay siya dito sa blini. Bread ni Adrian. Daming ano, seed. O, yung bread na to, puro ano seed. May pumpkin seed, chia seeds. Healthy, guys. Healthy ng bread niya. Siyempre, bumili din ako ng togi para naman meron tayong gulay sa ating liempo. Barbecue liempo. Air fry lang natin. At spinach. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa. Ayan. Itong bag na to, ang ganda. Binili sa akin ni Adrian sa Waitrose to eh. Pang palengking bag. Tapos nag-coffee kami kanina. Di bumili kami sa Waitrose ng ano, ng tinapay. And hilig kami sa pretzel. Salted pretzel. Eh, ang alat naman guys. Sobrang alat talaga. Nakikita niyo yung mga puti na yan. Ano yan? Asin yan eh. Sobrang alat. Meron kami nabibilan nito na hindi ganun kaalat eh. Pero ito sobrang alat. Hindi ko kinain. Tapos ito sa African shop din namin nabili. Ang sarap. Gluten free. Kaya ayan o. Gluten free. Tapos, ayan, bumili ako. Dumaan ako sa convenience store. May tinda sila nito. Paborito ko to kasi hindi siya masyadong maalat. Tapos medyo, hindi siya matigas. Masarap niya. Ayan. Hindi siya masyadong maalat. Yum, yum, yum. Tamang-tama yan sa aming movie night. Ayan, binili ko si Riona ng ano, leave-in conditioner. Ayaw niya magpa-plancha ngayon. Gusto niya kulot ang buhok niya. Ano yan kay Riona. At ito din, ito din, tinapay para din kay Riona. Ayan, sa breakfast niya. So guys, magre-ready na akong magluto. Speaking to the camera, I didn't know it's not recording. Silly. So, yun, inubad ko yung aking bathrobe at malamig, mainit. Initan ako kasi nagluto ako. So, ay, yummy, yummy. Adrian's favorite, guys, kaya niluto ko yung Adrian's favorite, yung pan-fried liempo. Can you please call her by Dios, please? So, dito na lang natin lagay kasi may sabaw-sabaw yung ginawa ko. Gusto nila yung may sabaw-sabaw. Para sa sauce. Ang ganda, guys, oh. She's tired from all the week going to school. So guys, kakain na kami. Ito yung liempo, oh, yung sauce niya nilagay ko. Ayan, ang aming pan-fried liempo na parang barbecue. You sit here, babe. Yan, will sit here. Tapos gumawa pala ako ng ito yung sauce. Ay, sorry, love. Sorry, babe. Okay. Ayan ang sauce. Ayan ang sauce na ginawa ko. Tapos, ito ang gulay. Kain na, anak. Tara na. Tapos, ito yung fried rice kaninang ginawa ko. Be, masarap yan.
Oh, wow.
Oo. Tapos yun yung aming rice dun.
You made this, ma?
Yeah, I made that.
This fancy like 2
Yummy,
years
diba?
No.
Masarap daw sabi ni Riona yung fried rice.
You should have made more.
Yeah. Oh, next time.
You also didn't put mine.
Oh, mommy is busy. Yummy, yummy.
Not a lot of green vegetable in here.
What vegetables, Fiona? You're talking about me or her?
I'm saying there's not a lot of green in here.
Because I put the... Are you joking or?
No, I'm not joking. I've managed to get some out of it. I'm going to eat with my knife and fork today because that looks way too sticky.
Yeah, eat the knife and fork. Kain tayo, guys. Kain po tayo. Rihanna like the fried rice.
Seems like...
I cannot see it properly, so I give you. Do you want me to turn it up? Careful with the chili. The chili is spicy.
I'm actually not that hungry because we had quite a big snack for lunch.
Yes. Well, what was your snack? We had Nero coffee.
It's a biltong and a pretzel.
And the pretzel is so salty. Meron dyan, no? Be careful when you. It wasn't the one like we had in Brighton. The one in Brighton is very nice. My favorite.
Is this all of the pork there? That's surprising, isn't it?
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.